Greetings and welcome to another Retro Tech Ralph, update thingy. Right, if you'd seen the last video, I'd got drunk shopping last week, basically the end of everything. But I got a PS1, which the laser doesn't work, a PS2 fat, which seems to work perfectly. Really good for expansion. What else did I get? Oh, I got there were a couple of memory cards with it as well, and a keyboard for a PS3. They came yesterday. I've had a delivery again today. Sorry, no unboxing, because I'm too excited because they're already unboxed. Now, first off, let's go for the dull one, shall we? An Xbox 360 Slim. Very dirty, dusty, cruddy. Don't know if this works. One slot down there for the USBs. Like I said before, I've never had a 360. Gooey. And we're having the 360 Fat, which I can do lots with. Really good. I've got no power supply for this, so I might have to get a cable. Because the other one is a Jasper 360, which has got a different connector. But I'm sure I'll be able to find one on eBay. Or Amazon or something anyway. It's not particularly good, this case. I'm sure I could get something and maybe polish this up a little bit. It's a little, yeah, it's well used. But my problem with this is there was a picture on the auction which clearly shows that there's a angle like that, which shows there's no hard drive. There ain't even a cover for it either. So I hope that the hard drive slots in like the 360 Fat version does, and we'll go on top of that. If not, there'll be a plastic cover missing from this. But that's number one, an Xbox 360 Slim. I'll put it over here. It's in way over there. Secondly, if you're still watching, an PS3, PlayStation 3. Don't know why it's got Turtle Beach stuck around on this, but that's going to come off anyway. Looks like it's been through the wars, but nothing that I can't look at and fix. So I've not had one of these for a while. I used to have the PS3. I've got a PlayStation account, so there should be some games on there. So I should be able to get them off. This doesn't look like it's been in because there's a screw behind this panel here. So I don't think that's actually been into. I hope there's a hard drive in there. I really do, and I'm tempted to take that off because that looks a little bit like it's been forced in the past. And we have a screw there. No, I don't think we have an hard drive in there. It goes sideways and up. Yep. Nope. No hard drive. So somebody stripped this of a hard drive in the past, making this a little bit more trickier to faff with. It's not impossible. These run without a hard drive. Both the 360 and this do without a hard drive. But does make it, I've got to use a separate hard drive and get formatted. I did do with my own PlayStation 3, and it I put a bigger hard drive in, worked absolutely perfect. There was more storage on there than I could possibly want. I would think I had 250 gig hard drive on there. Well, I've got something in one of the drawers over there anyway, so we've got that one. Plus, if anybody's been watching this, we have another one. Now, the obvious difference to start with is here. And here. Oh, that way better. 2 USBs, 4 USBs. Memory card reader. I'm guessing this may be the ones that is a backwards compatible. I probably am incorrect, but if I'm not, I've just got myself a backwards compatible Xbox. Why do I keep saying Xbox? PS3. Now there's nothing different on the back of there. I thought these were in different places. Something rattling on there. Should we see if this one's got a hard drive? That doesn't seem to be prized off before. Yeah, there's no hard drive in this. Just a caddy. Yeah, I can see inside there, there's nothing at all. Nothing screwed in. So both of these have had the hard drives removed. That's actually see-through. I thought that was just jet black. Warranty void if broken, which obviously has been voided, but one nice little project to do. 2 PS3s. If I can make a good one out of both bads, even on the top there, that's silver as well, and that's like brushed aluminium. Yes. So future projects, I'm looking forward to these, I really am. The fourth that came with this auction is as follows, and I am not going to beat around the bush with this one much longer, but what's the proper angle for this? Right, probably this way. We have an original Xbox. Yes. This came today, it was packaged, the other 3, the Xbox 360 and the 2, where's that from? Found a little piece of plastic all the time. And the 2 PS3s were fine enough, but this, the front plate's completely smashed off. It's not been got into, because the screw holes is there and there. Scratch across there. That's a big crack on case as well. Yeah. It looks like it's been hit on this corner here and the front. There's no CD front of the CD tray. Very, very dirty. So I think I may get a new case. If not, try and see if I can cannibalise the crystal one. Oh, it finally fell off now. That the crystal one that I have as spares that I was going to get rid of on eBay. But it's a shame that I was looking forward to doing another Xbox, but I am sure I can do something here with this. What's that bit there? I mean, this is so bad on pieces now, I have to start putting them in bloody boxes. But I don't know if it's a version 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, whatever, made in China. I'll have a look into that at a later date. I don't know whether or not I'm going to bloody hell. I know it was a bargain, and I've had a word with the seller, and I can't say anything bad about the seller. And I noticed this bit was missing as I'm going through the pictures, and they weren't exactly clear pictures of this Xbox. But when you've got 2 PS3s and an Xbox 360 Slim, you're either going to get HD pictures of this. Okay. But the metal, yeah, looks quite good. It doesn't look like it's rusted, apart from that piece there. So, well, I hope you like that. Always beware, beware what you're doing when you're shopping online. Because sometimes the couriers could balls up, and sometimes sellers could be misleading. I've misled plenty of people before on eBay, so don't worry about it. Right, this is for Gary. Gary Pinkett, I have something special for you. I have literally just picked this up not even an hour ago. This is what came with it. I don't know what that is. Uninvited. Looks a little bit like it needs a bit of a clean. The Stos the game creator. I remember seeing this. I never had this because I used to have a, if you can obviously guess what it is so far, I had an Atari ST. It was a 520 ST FM. And then quite a few years afterwards, got the STE after I completely destroyed the FM. But this is what came with the box, and I swear I have not looked at this. I don't know what ST this is. Keep looking at that, seeing TM, but it's actually FF. Well, it was Atari FM and STE and ST, and I don't know which one it is. The guy who gave it me, who I messaged me yesterday, which was Thursday. I picked it up today, which is Friday. This will probably go on tomorrow for Saturday, this video, if I keep it a bit more shorter. He picked it up today, and he says it's just been stored under the stairs. So I'm guessing this will work perfectly. But it's just, obviously, these bits are dusty. I'd love it if there were more than this. I've seen videos of people, I got this box, and look at this, I got a whole tray full of discs. And you think, oh, I just want them. But, right, here's a genuine video. That is a box. I haven't opened. I don't know. Ah, I think I've just seen it. Gary, do you want this yet? I think it's an STFM. That's fine. Oh my goodness. Wow, that box is in good condition. And we're rolling again. Right. Shall I? Right. I know you can't see this, but inside there's a bag. Oh, I love a bag. I love a bag. Oh, I love two bags. Oh, God, all you don't like polystyrene. Oh, which is me. Ladies and gentlemen, please may I introduce to you Little Ralph. Oh, I need to watch Neil's videos on retro brighting. I also need the sun back as well. God, these keyboards, it feels smaller when I've got bigger. The case seems well. The badge has still got its plastic over it. Reset button, power switch feels really good. Television. I may have a problem with that. I'm not sure if I can mount it. MIDI ports on this side. Joystick ports underneath. Oh, Gemsoft. Warranty broken in fact. Gemsoft for a big computer store in Sheffield at Furnival Gate. That's the second store that they went to. I have to big up these guys. I don't even know if they're still around. Gemsoft were absolutely brilliant. But these are our local computer experts before they had all these backstreet computer idiots and people like me. They're not original screws. Don't know. That's quite good. So it's a 520 FM. It's fine. I was praying for an E, but didn't get it. That's not the original disk drive, but it will do for my purposes. Cartridge slot, monitor, floppy for external floppy, modem printer, and hard disk. Hard disk. You never thought of having a hard disk back in that day. I'm really happy with this. Right. Bag time. I don't know what's in here, and this feels heavy. Oh, it isn't. It is. It's a second drive. Oh, I wish this was an X-rated channel. It's a second drive. Michael, thank you very, very much. This is just wow. Okay, I'm being greedy. There's nothing else in there. Yeah, Michael from Maltby gave this to me, and I'm absolutely oh yeah, so excited. Second drive. Right, let's have a look what's in here. okay, we have a goodie. I was hoping, because I can't connect this to a TV, but because I haven't got that cable, but I have now. So the TV power lead, I have plenty of those, but that's fine. I can power it up. What's this? What's this? Oh, it's a mouse. It's the original mouse. An original retro Brighton still needed. Oh, get in. And there's still something else in here. Can you know what it is? I'm grabbing hold of something. Oh, it's a wire. Okay. Oh, I know what it is. Power supply for the for the external hard drive. And fresh air. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love doing this. Absolutely love doing this. It's getting back to something better. Where to you we are? Oh yeah. Do I dare? Do I dare? Come on. Let's dare. All I want to see is that come on. It works. It bloody works. Oh. Anybody first tuning into these videos, please, I am not mad, and like and subscribe. Oh yeah, I'm like, wow. Oh, loving this. Absolutely loving this. So, these are more future projects than I can handle at the moment. If you want to send me some more, please send me. But other than that, like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and yes, I'm just going to go and explode at the moment in just excitement. I've got one of these. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, I missed you so much. Missed you so much.